guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cut Jackson's hair. Jackson is 4 years old and he's honestly never had his hair cut by anyone but me and kind of his dad. So I kind of want to start off by saying that I am not a hairdresser, I am not a cosmetologist, I am nowhere in that field at all. This is just kind of a way that we save money. I've cut my own hair, I've cut my mom's hair, my sister's hair, my friend's hair. I mean, in no way am I a professional in any way, shape, or form. I don't think that I'm the person that can do the best job, but if you're trying to save money and you need a trim or anything like that, like, I definitely like to try and help out. And I've learned a lot on YouTube. So maybe if you're trying to do the same thing, this video will help you out. So as you can see, I've already started and I'm taking the #1 guard, going from the nape of his neck just a bit over his ears, maybe like ½ an inch over his ears, and then going all around, making sure it's nice and even.
We're shutting down our minds, we just want to feel that rush. Losing track of time, but that's so typical of us. When I hear the bass playing, we're on the floor, I just wanna let out my roar. Can't wait no more, dancing like we're animals. Hands up in the air, jump around like you don't care. Let people stare, just put your hands up in the air. Just put your hands up in the
Just like any toddler or preschooler, they hate haircuts, but these faces are cracking me up. So usually after you're done going over all of it, it's a good idea to go back through and just make sure there's no random long strands. They're very, very easy to miss. So now I'm switching to the #2 guard and I'm going up from where I started the #1 and kind of creating a fade effect, maybe also like a ½ an inch up.
Let the music carry me. Act like tomorrow never comes, it's as good as it can be. When I hear the bass playing, we're on the floor, I just wanna let out my roar. Can't wait no more, dancing like we're animals. Hands up in the air, jump around like you don't care. Let people stare, just put your hands up in.
Now I'm just trying to style his hair with my wet hands. I could not find my water bottle that I use to kind of fix their hair with. As you can see, he has a bit of a mess at the back of his head, and I also didn't want to put any hair products in his hair because after this he was just going to get in the shower anyway and wash off all those stray hairs. Now to finish it up, I'm just taking the clippers and edging or shaping up the back to just get all those stray hairs. And you can see this is the before and this is the after. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you have not already, please subscribe and we will see you for our next video. Bye guys!